Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Jekarsy 3-in-1 kit for the PS Vita. A bundle designed to offer comprehensive protection and organization for your handheld console. If you're a PS Vita owner, whether you have the 1000 or 2000 model, this kit might just be what you need to keep your device safe while on the go. Let's start with the centerpiece of the bundle, the hard EVA carrying case. Constructed from upgraded EVA material, this case is durable, rigid, and shock-absorbent, offering solid anti-drop protection for your console. The exterior has a bright, sturdy finish, while the interior is lined with soft microfiber to prevent scratches. The case also features a built-in elastic rubber border that adds an extra buffer against impacts. Measuring just over 8 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, and 2.5 inches deep. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack or carry by the wristband attached to the case. But this isn't just a protective shell, it's designed to be highly functional as well. Inside, there are 10 dedicated slots for PS Vita game cartridges or memory cards, along with a zippered mesh pocket for small accessories, giving you a single place to store and organize your gaming essentials. Next up, the two transparent crystal cases. One is for the PS Vita 1000 and the other for the 2000 model. Made from eco-friendly, imported PC material, these cases are non-toxic, odorless, and highly transparent, allowing you to showcase the original design of your console. They are slim, anti-shock, and provide a tight fit to prevent scratches. The cases also have precise cutouts for the camera, volume buttons, L and R triggers, and the charging port, meaning every function of your PS Vita remains accessible without removing the case. A neat added feature is the double-sided fixed bracket, which doubles as a stand, making it convenient for watching movies or playing games hands-free. While this bundle does not include the PS Vita console, chargers, or game cartridges, it focuses entirely on protection and portability. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just keeping your console safe at home, this kit covers all the bases. From dust-proof protection to scratch resistance and anti-drop capabilities, it's designed to be a cost-effective solution for any PS Vita owner. Overall, the Jekarsy 3-in-1 kit is more than just a set of cases. It's a thoughtfully designed system that protects, organizes, and enhances the functionality of your PS Vita, making it ideal for gamers who want convenience and safety in one purchase. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our future product breakdowns. See you next time.